as a dancer, being creative is so important.
Burlesque means a lot of things for a lot of different people.
I've never actually performed burlesque. You just go on the stage and you just go.
So today we're hosting a burlesque workshop with Monica K. She's one of my favorite burlesque and pole dance performers.
You'll do a little forward fold and show the butt.
The amazing Monica K is here at the Westlake Village studio, and she's going to be doing a boa burlesque workshop, Santa style, showgirl style. I would say pole dancing is a little bit more circus-y, and then burlesque is definitely more striptease. This is a great way for everyone to kind of learn the different style of burlesque and get ready for the showcase.
I've never actually performed burlesque, so this is a new type of performance for me.
We are so excited because it's something a little different and unique to the studio. And as a matter of fact, I organized a field trip last week to go to my friend's restaurant to see a burlesque show in the wild. And it was super fun. Gloves were taken off and twirled around by teeth. And it was fun to see a show out there in the wild that was not pole or something a little different.
We're doing more of a burlesque side, not as much as pole. So this is just a lot of interacting with the crowd and you're just moving around. So the shoes are going to be different as well. Instead of our big platforms, this will be a little bit more walkable so you can interact with the whole audience.
Burlesque means a lot of things for a lot of different people, but primarily it's a celebration of femininity. It's a celebration of empowerment, embracing who we are as animals. And then take your left foot behind you and then cover your butt with your left hand and your heart with your right hand. And that's kind of what we want to do. We want to hide things. Mentally, it's a little more challenging because dancers are forced to be still and slow things down a little bit more.
And I am the opposite. I do everything fast paced. I slam my heels and I hair whip my hair. So the boa is just another thing that they use to feel sensual and sexy and, you know, slide along their arms and in between their legs and slide it like, you know what, like this. Ooh, ooh.
Right. In my wacky sweatpants. She's gonna edit out all the shitty stuff, right? Right? So, like a lot of times in burlesque, they're not really fully choreographed. I don't know if you knew that. Like a lot of times it's just kind of like, okay, I want to be in this general area. This 60 seconds is devoted towards interacting with a stranger in the audience. You never know what's going to happen there. So, you know, choreo in real burlesque is very loose. I started off as a pole dancer, and there was a burlesque performer who saw one of my pole shows. For her birthday, she invited me to perform at her burlesque, and there was no pole. And she's like, just do something, just do anything. So I spent a couple of weeks just grabbing random costume things I had in my house, and I made up a burlesque routine just for this show, thinking that would be the only time I'd do it. And then the producer that put on that show saw the act and invited me to become part of her company. I have 6. Peek, look, come around. There is also a little bit of a merger between pole and burlesque. Oftentimes that's what I end up doing. You're peeking around the edge. You're gonna come back up. If you have a butt skill, yes, Brie. And what's unique about my workshop is that I use only faux feathers. So this bow is made of tulle. I started a project called Feather Phase Out. It was my campaign to modernize the way we use feathers in burlesque and all entertainment. Traditional feathers come with a lot of issues. And I make burlesque fans, boas, basically any showgirl costumes, and I use exclusively faux feathers. My main objective when I'm teaching a student burlesque is for them to take away a sense that they don't have to do much to be valuable. Just being present and standing tall and confident is enough.
It was a lot of fun. It was different because I never worked with like a prop.
It actually was exhausting, but it was really fun. Considering it was just boa work, it was still very challenging.
And this is to get the girls prepared for our Glam Gods and Showgirls burlesque show happening in February.
It's not just a burlesque show. She puts her flavor into it, as she's such a rock and roll person. So this is gonna be iconic. I already see that.
This is like something that I'm really excited working towards, and it's just turning out to be amazing.
I just love to perform. I have a stage fright, but at the same time, I love performing. So I just was like, oh, got this, and that. It's just clicks. If you have your vision already, it's just, you just go on the stage and you just go.
I think as a performer, as a dancer, pole dancing or burlesque, being creative is so important.
Choosing a prop, which I hope people come up with really, really creative props, because there's so much fun you can do with each character. That is very exciting, and I can't wait for the character development and props and costumes and wigs. You know, like the striptease is fun, but are we gonna really see 20 of the same kind of classic striptease in a row? And so we're like, you know what, we really have to get creative with each idea. And then each have their own props. And I mean, I'm just so excited about it. It's gonna be really cool.
Very excited. I'm stoning my corset. I've got a wig coming. I'm going all out.
I am very excited for it. I already mixed my song. I already started working on my costume and the concept. This is very exciting.
I'm gonna have a few costume changes. I do have some props, and I don't want to give too much away, but there will be some water effects.
Are you going to have any props or any?
Yes, I will.
Can you tell us?
No, that's gonna be a surprise.